What's up guys, today I gonna tell you how can you transform any cluttered photo to a professional one. If your brand or you doesn't have money to hire photographers and have professionals studio, then you can use AI for transforming any raw photo to professional one. Let me tell you how you can do it. Go to gem section here. Inside gem manager, it is written my gems from labs. Click on new gem. I am going to provide a prompt in the description. You just need to copy paste that prompt. It is a prompt, right? Then click enter. It gonna take some time. What it does is it creates a custom app based on instructions that we give. Here what we do is we gonna provide a random raw image. Using its internal tools, it gonna convert it into a professional studio photograph. Now it is created. Let's click on start here. Now we need to upload the photo that we want to remaster, right? It is click on plus icon. Upload from device option is there. Clicking on. Let's see. It is a photo. You can see it is captured in random environment having bokeh effect. We want to transform it to a professional studio photo shoots. Let's see how it does it. Just click on submit. Here you see, here are the steps it is performing: analyzing the subject and source asset. Here you can see that how a raw footage captured from camera turned into a commercial high-end brand asset. You can save this image by clicking on save image as, or you can click on copy open image in new tab. It creates 3 different variations of commercial image from input image that we gave. If you want more such useful videos, drop a comment, like the video and share this video as much as possible.